Jai Srimannarayana, 16th sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Nasataha vidyate bhavaha nabhavaha vidyate sataha ubhayorapi दृष्टः अन्तः अनयोः तत्त्वदर्शिभिः ॐ. Body is perishable. Atma means that we are sitting in body. We are imperishable. This fact is established by highly evolved people like our Maharshis. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option in 18th chapter for every one of us, asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Srimannarayana, I shall believe in the facts that are established by our great rishis. That is, body is perishable, Atma is imperishable. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Bali Chakravarti was made as a king to Sutala Lokam by Paramatma. Bali Chakravarti has seen such a great amount of grace, blessings of Paramatma, and he moved to tears. Baddhanjalihi bashpakulakulekshanaha santa sambunan kanniru munnirai kelu mogirchi. Bali Chakravarti folded his hands, doing namaskaram to Paramatma, moving to happy tears with so much of devotion, with a heavy throat, while unable to speak a word. He is saying like this, Ho Prabhu, aho pranamaya krutaha samudyamaha prapanna bhakta vidau samahitaha. Even if someone just thinking to do namaskaram, that thinking itself fulfills the wishes of that devotee. Even trying to do namaskaram to you itself makes all the devotees' wishes fulfilled. O Prabhu, you have shown such a great amount of your grace, your compassion, your blessings on me. Even Devatas, Lokapalakas cannot get this much of anugraham from you. O Paramatma, I am so lucky, I am so fortunate. Like that Bali Chakravarti prayed, Paramatma did namaskaram to Paramatma and did namaskaram to Brahma, Rudra, and then got released from that bondage, and then with Sampurna Anandam, with fullest happiness, with all of his entourage, he entered into Sutala Lokam. Like that, Sakshat Paramatma fulfilled the wish of Aditi, made Indra the king of Svargalokam heaven, and made the Bali Chakravarti king of Sutala Lokam. And like that, Asasat Sakalam Jagat, he ruled all the worlds, he took care of all the worlds. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogendra teaching to Parikshit Narendra. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 16th sloka. Nasato vidyate bhavo, na bhavo vidyate sataha, vubhayorapi drushtontastu, anayoho tattvadarshibhihi. Nasato vidyate bhavo, na bhavo vidyate sataha, ubhayorapi drushtontastu, anayoho tattvadarshibhihi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.